Ever wondered why your dog eats grass or how to build a treehouse? These questions are driven by informational keywords. Informational keywords are search terms people use when seeking information, solutions, or guidance on a specific topic. They often start with who, what, when, why, and how, indicating a quest for knowledge. For example, what planets can you see tonight? Or how to plant tomatoes show a clear intent to find answers. Understanding keyword intent is crucial for creating content that meets user needs and drives traffic to your site. Informational keywords are typically long tail, meaning they are longer and more specific than broad keywords. When users search long-tail keywords, they are usually in the awareness phase of their buyer journey. Examples include, what is causing my back pain? Or, can solar panels help you save money? These keywords indicate a search intent to learn about a subject, solve a problem, or do something specific. Unlike transactional or navigational keywords, informational keywords don't show an intent to buy immediately. To target these keywords, start by using a keyword research tool to filter by search intent. Moses Keyword Explorer is a great tool for identifying keywords by search intent. Enter a seed keyword related to your industry to generate a list of related keywords. Look for keywords with high monthly volume and low difficulty. These are your golden nuggets. Forums like Reddit and Quora are gold mines for finding real questions people are asking. Competitive research helps you analyze top-ranking content for your target keywords. Use tools like Moses Keyword Gap Analysis to find keywords your competitors are ranking for that you're not. Google Autocomplete can also provide new keyword ideas based on actual search queries. Check out the People Also Ask box on Google for valuable insights into what your audience wants to know. Target long-tail queries, which are more specific and easier to rank for. Optimize your content for informational search terms to get in front of your audience. Include your primary keyword in the URL to clarify your content's topic. Use the keyword or a variation in the page title to send a strong signal to Google. Sprinkle relevant topics and variations of your keyword throughout your piece. A well-structured format with headers, bullet points, and short paragraphs improves readability. Your content should thoroughly answer the user's query and provide the information they're seeking. Creating content that answers informational search queries involves a strategic approach to writing and optimizing. Incorporate visuals and interactive elements to enhance your content. Optimize for generative AI by including clear, factual information that AI can easily extract. Regularly update your content to keep it relevant and valuable. Informational keywords are crucial for driving traffic and building trust with your audience. Capture users at the start of their journey with informational keywords and guide them along their path.